The next person I would like to introduce is an extremely vital person and company to our organization, and that is Ron Holbert with JoRonCo. And the effects of this pandemic have been nothing short of disastrous for JoRonCo. I want to take a moment to publicly thank JoRonCo for the support that they've given us and the backbone they've provided to Village Fest since our inception. Ron?
I'm going to put a little different spin on things here. With this announcement, it brings my total to $281,428 in canceled orders. I've had 162 events canceled since March 12th. I receive 1 to 2 more cancellations per week as we move forward. My question is, where's the help from my industry? And when I say my industry, I'm not talking me. I'm talking the special event, wedding, and live entertainment industry. Where is our lifeline? Has any of you talked to the venues in town? Have you went to Junior League, Women's Club, Masonic, Elks, the Barn? Man, I got a list that goes on and on. Have you talked to the venues? How are they surviving? Have you talked to the DJs, the photographers, the caterers, the event coordinators? Have you talked to the sound and lighting companies and the security companies that 100% our income comes from the event industry, weddings, and live entertainment? I've yet to see anybody ask us, how can we help? I called the health department on Wednesday to discuss this, and before I could even finish asking my question, I was told no social gatherings at all. Not how can we help you or what ideas do you have. No social gatherings. I questioned him about the swap meet that's happening at the fairgrounds. I went by there last weekend. There's 500-600 people easily walking around. I was told that's retail. That's a different set of rules. You see the problem we're having? We need help. We have ideas, and yet nobody will talk to us. The city and county has been great with the restaurants. They have helped them design curbside. They have went as far as letting them sell alcohol to go. We're pouring margaritas in mason jars and glasses of wine in sippy cups. They have redesigned the permitting process and have waived the fees. But for the rest of us, they haven't helped us or even reached out and asked us how they can. Our venues can social distance just like the restaurants are doing. We can do it. We have venues that hold 200 to 300 people. We could put 50 or 80 people inside there. We can bring back weddings. We can bring back special events. We're just not being allowed to do that. I'm a member of the American Rental Association. In fact, I'm past president of the California arm of the association. And this is just numbers from my association that deals with rental only. You can only imagine what these numbers would be if we added in all the folks I just talked about in the live entertainment. In 2019, we did $125 million in revenue in the state of California. Our projected rental revenue for 2020 is $36.2 million. And that's assuming that we open up at the end of July, which I think we all know is not going to happen. On average, each member has cut store hours by 32 hours per location per week. And we have laid off 90.4% of our labor force. Our average income in March of this year for my association was down 87%. We were down 89% in April, and we were down 86% in May. And the numbers for June are going to be even worse because now we're figuring in a lot of different events that should have happened. Again, I'm asking, where's our help? Ask us, we can tell you. We're pretty smart people in our industries. We can do it. If you really want to know how COVID is affecting Kern County and the local area, go talk to these people. Talk to the venues. Talk to the sound and lighting companies. Talk to the caterers. Talk to all these people that are still sitting at home. They're still looking out. They're still being told, keep closed, no social distancing or no social events. And then we're lied to and said we're in this together. Nobody's in there with us. We're fighting on our own. Thank you.